This video is intended to demonstrate the LoRa wireless distributed I/O data acquisition tutorial using the E90E95SL series D2. To ensure the demonstration proceeds smoothly, we have prepared the following materials. First, we configure the radio module. Install the antenna onto the E90D2 400 cell 30. Connect the E90D2 400 cell 30 to the USB to Rs 485 converter. Note that the Rs 485 connection must follow a 2A and B to B wiring. Connect the E90D2 400 cell 30 to the power supply. Connect the USB to Rs 485 converter to the computer USB port. Connection completed. Set the dip switch on the side of the radio to configuration mode as shown. If using E95E96 radio, use the mode button. To switch the radio to configuration mode, adjust MO and M1 indicators as shown. MO off, M1 on. Indicates the radio has entered configuration mode. Open the RF setting E92E96 software on the computer. Select the corresponding serial port. Open the serial port. Click Get. The default parameters of the D2 will be read. You can use default parameters or modify module address and channel. In this tutorial, only the module address is changed to 1. Other parameters remain unchanged. Click Write. The host software shows write successful. Set both MO and M1 dip switches to on as shown. At this point, the radio configuration is complete. Next, configure the distributed I/O. Connect the antenna to the M31. Connect the M31 to the power supply. Connect the 2-wire sensor to the AI1 channel of the distributed I/O. Insert one end of the Ethernet cable into the LoRa wireless distributed I/O and connect the other end to the computer Ethernet port. Power on the M31. Open Computer Settings. Go to Network and Internet. In Advanced Network Settings, change the computer IP to subnet 3. In this tutorial, it is set to 192.168.3.4. Note, the IP address must not be the same as the LoRa distributed I/O. Open the distributed I/O configuration software. Click the top left corner to select the Ethernet adapter. Choose the Ethernet IP address just configured, and switch the interface to Ethernet. Click Search to find the device. Click the Discovered device. You can view the Modbus address of the LoRa distributed I/O here. Record the Modbus address as 1. Modify the wireless parameter. Set the module address to 1. Keep other parameters as default. Click Save Parameters and restart the device to apply changes. At this point, the LoRa distributed I/O configuration is complete. Next, perform acquisition testing. Open Modbus poll on the computer. Click Connection. Select Serial Port. Select the serial port corresponding to the E90 radio. Note, baud rate 9608N1. Click Setup. Click Read-Write Definition. Set slave ID to 1. Function code 04 PLC register area 3. Register address 0. Quantity 1 red AI1 only. Click OK. You can see that Modbus poll has successfully read the AI1 data collected by the LoRa distributed I/O.